Okay, kia ora whānau. We're going to play a couple of games here. First one's called Making 10. And I've got a normal pack of cards and taken all the picture cards out. So it's a normal pack of cards. And you lay them out 10 cards. And the idea is to add cards up to make 10. And this could be any number of cards to make the 10. So if you were sneaky, you'd just take this one card out and say, I've made 10, and that's worth just 1 point. Put that one over there. You get your shuffled cards and you replace that, and here I go. Now I can get a little creative. I could go a 1, aces are only worth 1, a 1 and a 2 makes 3, and 7, now that makes 10. Now, depending who you're playing, some people might score that as 3. I'm just going to play that as 1 point, and then I replace my 3 cards. And we go through the entire deck taking turns until we get through the deck. Now, these cards here are a little bit hard to see on the way I've got set up, so I am going to play around with my very fabulous Skip-Bo cards. They come in like an Uno style game, and I'm just going to use them because they are a lot bigger, and I can, makes it easier for me to see and for you to see at home. So this one here, we can still make 10s, but as you can see, it's a lot easier with these numbers. So if I was to make 10, this one here, I could use the 1, the 2 and the 7, and that would make 10, or just the 10 or the 9 and the 1. Each time you take a card away, you replace it from the deck. Okay, so that's making 10s. Next one we're going to play is a game called Doubles. It's basically the same sort of concept, although this time here we can combine 2 cards and another card. So we might go 10 and 2 is actually 12, isn't it? 10 plus 2 is 12, and I'm going to use my 6 to say double 6 is 12. So I'm taking those cards, and that is a point for me. I'll put those cards over to the side, replace them. This time I just might go double of 3 is 6. So I'll take that, put those together, and that would be worth a point for that side there. Oh, this one here, I might have to get a little bit creative. I'm going to have to go 10 and 6. Now that makes 16. I don't know, that 8 and 8 makes 16. Or I could go 10 and 8, make 18. And 9 plus 9. So it's a bit of addition, a bit of doubles. Nicely done. Okay, if you can't make it, you can take those away, shuffle them back into the deck, and relay out another. Good luck.